What we killing on the street? He be killing that girl every freaking week. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, 7 days a week like Jungkook, getting up in there. Everybody in this bitch, throw your hands in the air. Before we get into J-Hope Killin It Girl featuring GloRilla, which I'm excited for, let's get a little bit serious. If you already know, I do live out here in LA, and what's happening out there is not okay. Families are being torn apart. Communities are being raided unlawfully. It's not okay. I want to keep this short and say, F ICE. Hope you have a nice day. J-Hope Killin It featuring GloRilla. My God, when I heard about this, and I heard it was like a little bit of, I heard the choreography is like choreographed by Miss Sienna Lalao, or at least she's part of it. I'm not sure. You could correct me in the comments down below. But J-Hope Killin It Girl, bro. BTS are almost back. I think we just need Suga, right? I think Suga's coming out soon. We have RM, Jungkook, Taehyung, Jimin, Jin, J-Hope, and now we need Yoongi. I think that's it. Unless Yoongi's already out by the time. I don't know. I can't even keep up sometimes. But I'm happy. So this is just like another blessing, to be honest. So J-Hope Killin It Girl. Let's get it. Let's go. Let's begin. Bow. Oh, here we go. Period. Yeah. What? Damn. This is how we. Oh, face first. What we killing on the street? Wait, say what again? Big girl. Baddest out of your friend. Hey. What we killing though? Killing. Hey. Oh. Came up like the Undertaker. What? Birthday. Hey. Hey, shout out to the 305. That's my hometown right there. Rose popping. Well, that's where I was born. In the worst way. Ooh. Ooh. Okay, okay. Make your mind. What we know? Oh, you need first aid? Oh, they humping up in the air. Hold up. Look at the dancers. This is black and white too. I just realized. I don't know why I didn't even comment on that. Oh, not the finger gun body rolling. The little action right here. Killing it, girl. Oh, we touching up on it. Whoa. GloRilla. Oh. Hey, wait. Let me hear them. I gotta look at the lyrics again. I'm so sorry. Yeah. Murder for hire. Mike Glow Myers. Okay. Okay, heels. I'm dead serious. Hold. Roll it. What we killing? Period. Blood on the scene. But period. I said I do this day money talk, little baby. I can't hear you. What you say? What you say? Whoa. Oh, to color now. Oh, he's been shirtless. Was he always shirtless? No, this is a different outfit, right? Different outfit, right? Unless he changed already. No, okay. Oh. Killing it, girl. Hey, yay. What we killing with it? Hey. Ooh. Oh, okay. The dance in the back. Hey. Hey. What we killing though? Oh, back to black and white. Ooh, with the mic stand and everything. And he killing it every freaking day. That's J-Hope, my man. Every freaking way. He be killing that girl every freaking week. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, 7 days a week like Jungkook, getting up in there. Everybody in this bitch, throw your hands in the air. J-Hope, get that. Damn, he getting in. And we back to square one. Ah, hell nah. Oh, that was so short. Oh, it is like a short. Ah, man. Okay. J-Ho featuring GloRilla. When I heard this already, like from like the announcement, I was like, yes, bitch. Called Killin It Girl. Can I hear not just only J-Ho, but GloRilla's verse again? Cause actually I did not know she was gonna be in the music video. I think there's a separate shot maybe. For sure. Murder for hire, splat.
Keep my foot up on they necks and my heels high. Might take your man and tell you go take it to trial.
What?
I'm dead serious, the baddest chick alive.
Yeah. Yeah.
Nobody killing it, blood on the scene.
Period. Hey.
I can't hear you. What you say?
What?
Now sit back and pay attention and let me show you how to slay.
How to slay? Killin It Girl. Dang. What? What we killing though? Yeah. You killing it, girl. You killing it, girl. Hey. Damn. Oh, she lucky. I look on his chest like that. Damn. Oh, okay. Yeah. I love that little dance right here. Hey. But wait. Damn, he really going in on that, huh? God damn, he got people see. I bet y'all, whoever watching this or the music video feeling Delulu. I bet damn right. Me too, girl. Yeah. Hey, shout out to the dancers too. Bow. Let's go, J-Hope. Let's go, GloRilla. Let's get it. Put a comment down below what you guys think of this music video and song. Oof, I'm just excited. This is just the beginning, y'all. Y'all already know, huh? Y'all already know. This is just the beginning. BTS are almost back. I mean, they basically are, but they almost back. I can't wait till like. I haven't reacted to like all their like lives. I don't know if you guys want me to check it out, like their live streams or like stuff like that. I watched it like clips, but I haven't checked like the full one. Let me know in the comments down below. But whatever you do, be sure to like this video, share this video, and subscribe. It's your boy Dre. You already know, from the YouTube channel JREAMERS. And have a blessed day. All right, y'all. Till next time, everybody. Peace.
Hey, you better subscribe.
Hey, yo, be sure to subscribe to my Patreon. You can either be a free member or subscribe for $1. Support your boy. Check out all the first listens over here. If any music video gets blocked, I'll be sure to upload it here for free. Just finished all of EXO Kitty, waiting for season 3 though. We got a lot of stuff and a lot more coming, so come through, subscribe, and become a member now. If you want more content, catch me on Twitch on Jrekml. I'm there every day.